Hey there, welcome back to Cool Gadgets. Today, we're exploring the world of home baking with the Neretva Breadmaker machine. If you're looking to create delicious, fresh bread with ease, this might be the perfect addition to your kitchen. The Neretva Breadmaker machine offers 20 customized automatic programs, including quick bread, gluten-free, French whole wheat, pizza dough, jam, and more. It features 3 crust shades, light, medium or dark, and can bake loaves ranging from 1 to 2 pounds, perfect for family-sized portions. The machine automatically mixes and kneads ingredients using a kneading paddle, with a digital LCD display for easy programming. The large viewing window allows you to monitor the process, while the AC motor ensures quieter operation. Thanks for tuning into our overview of the Neretva Breadmaker machine. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Cool Gadgets for more kitchen gadget reviews. Stay tuned for our next video.